You can hide this percentage icon on your Android phone. You will find many videos on YouTube showing this option in the settings, but the problem is, even though every phone has this setting, you might not find it by watching others. This is because different phone brands have different settings menus. That is why, at the end of this video, I will tell you a simple trick. With this, you can easily find this option on any phone. So, let's start. First, open your settings, then find battery and click on it. Now, click on battery percentage to turn it off. Now, let me tell you the trick to find it easily on any phone. Just look at the search bar at the top and click on it. Type battery percentage and search. Then, simply turn it off. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and also like, comment and share. More videos are coming soon.